Garmin Instinct, rugged outdoor watch with GPS, features GLONASS and Galileo, heart rate monitoring, and 3-axis compass, graphite. Rugged GPS watch built to withstand the toughest environments. Constructed to U.S. military standard 810G for thermal, shock and water resistance, rated to 100 meters. Built-in 3-axis compass and barometric altimeter, plus multiple global navigation satellite systems, GPS, GLONASS and Galileo, support helps track in more challenging environments than GPS alone. Monitor your estimated heart rate, activity and stress. Train with preloaded activity profiles. Stay connected with smart notifications with a compatible smartphone and automatic data uploads to the Garmin Connect online fitness community. Use the TrackBack feature to navigate the same route back to your starting point. Use the Garmin Explorer website and app to plan your trips in advance. Battery life, up to 14 days in smartwatch mode, up to 16 hours in GPS mode, up to 40 hours in UltraTrac battery saver mode. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.